What's up?
I got a joke for you.
Alrighty.
It's my back. And it's my girlfriend. She's a pain.
It's your best one at. You okay there?
I didn't think you had a girlfriend.
Nah, she was dumb. Hey, what's the state's favorite soda?
What's that?
Minnesota.
Okay.
Alright, you do one.
Alright, let's see here.
Want me to hold the phone?
Here. Alright, here's the plastic. Alright. Listen closely. It's the only joke I know.
Alright.
Alright, there was this moth.
Alright.
And he went to the doctor.
Okay.
The doctor asked him, "What's wrong, Moth?"
Alright.
He's like, "My life is in shambles. My wife left me. My kids don't want to talk to me. I lost my job. I live in a cheap motel. The bed's disgusting. The walls have holes in them. Keep a gun on my nightstand and I just stare at it every night." The doctor said, "Wow,
Where would you want a wedding?
that's rough, buddy. But I'm a doctor, not a therapist. What are you doing here?" The moth said, "The lights."
Families from there. Everybody
What was the end of it? I missed it. What was it? The mom said the lights on.
No, the moth.
The mom said the lights on.
Here, try to get grandma to do a joke.
Do you consent to being on camera? I gotta ask, this is legal stuff.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
between Trey and Chris.
You didn't
Did you hear
hear?
about the president? Did you hear about the Pollock who tried to blow up the president's car?
Nuh-uh.
He burned his lips on the tailpipe.
Super Bowl ticket. Other than that, last minute, never.
Last minute couldn't equal perfect.
Not for a wedding.
Alright, Grandma Brenda, it's your turn.
How many Pollocks does it take to
Chicago in the summer.
screw in a light bulb?
What?
Why is Chicago so great?
How many?
How many?
More than one. You gotta have one to screw the bulb and one to turn the guy to screw it in and whatever else they do.
Alrighty.
I forgot exactly how it went, didn't you?
Hey, Trey.
Huh?
Why did Jack Frost try to date Elsa?
What's that?
Because he had an icicle. Alright, that's it.
Alright. Bye bye, YouTube.
See ya.